Now y is equals to x square. Okay, so we all saw that when we differentiated dy upon dx, when we did, what was the answer? 2x. Very simple. Okay, 2 and then 2 will come front, and then 2 minus 1, that is 1. So x to the power 1 is x, so 2x. But if I ask you, if I give you this question and if I ask you find dy upon dt, then what will be your answer? Change in y with respect to t. Is there any t present over here? No. So what we will do, in our question we are seeing that y is equals to x square. So y is changing with x, it is not changing with t. So if I say find the change in y with respect to t, means t is constant. So it will be 0. Directly I can say that it is 0. So always keep in mind that whenever I am writing this, whatever is here, with respect to that only. Suppose the variable is here x, so if I write here x, then only I'll find the answer. If there is some other variable, then the answer will be 0. Okay, suppose I am writing y is equals to sine theta, and if I ask you find dy upon dx, is there any x? Is it changing with x? No, it is changing with theta, so answer will be 0. But if I say dy upon d theta, then it will be cos theta. Are you understanding? Similarly, suppose s is equals to t cube is there. S is equals to t to the power 3. If I write ds by dt, I can easily find it. 3 will come front, and t, 3 minus 1, 2. So 3t square. But if I say ds upon dx, so it will be equals to 0. Why? Because there is no t, that is, there is no x that is changing. ds is changing with respect to dt, it is not changing with respect to dx, so it will be 0. Okay, so this is also one concept. Now algebra of differentiation. Okay, how to add, how to subtract. Okay, see here, addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. So most important is addition and subtraction, and multiplication is sometimes important because when you will study AC current, there you can see there it is required, but division is not that required, but still I'll give you the simple idea I'll give you. Okay, so first let us start with addition and subtraction. Suppose two terms are added and then I want to find the differentiation. No need to take any problem, no, there is no problem. What we will do, we'll do it by parts. Okay, first I'll find the differentiation of this, then I'll add it with the differentiation of this. Suppose y is equals to x square plus 5x. So if I want to find the differentiation dy upon dx, so I'll differentiate it, dx square upon dx. So this is a way of writing. See here, y is there, in place of y will write this, in place of y will write this. Okay, d upon dx, this is the notation, d upon dx, and for the function I used to write it here. So no need to think all that, just see. If I want to differentiate this x square, so what will happen? 2 will come front, and in place of x, x is there. 5x, x to the power 1, so 1 minus 1 0, so it will vanish, only 5 will remain, so 5. Is it okay? In the same way, suppose this is the question, so dy upon dx if I want to find, here what will happen? 3 x to the power 2, x to the power 2, 3 will come here, x to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus what is the differentiation of e to the power x? It is same, e to the power x, plus log x differentiation 1 by x, plus what is the differentiation of cosec x? What is the differentiation? So tan x is, we know that it is sec square x, so cosec x will be your sec x is, it is sec x tan x, so cosec x will be cosec x into cot x with a negative sign. Okay, so how can we write it? 3x square plus e to the power x plus 1 by x minus cosec x cot x. Okay, then suppose something is like this, 6x square root x and like this, so 2 to the power x and cos x. So 6x square root x is x to the power half. So now let us do it, dy by dx. So this 2 will come front, 6 to the 12x square, 12x, 1 2 here 2 minus 1 1, so 12x plus this one half x to the power 1 minus half minus 1, so minus half, then plus 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x log 2 plus cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. Are you understanding? Now let us see multiplication. Y is equals to u into v. Okay, so if I want to multiply, if there are two functions u and v, okay, then what to do? just here I have written u and v. U can be something x square, v can be something cos x. Okay, so two functions just I have taken, example u and v. Then what we have to do is, when we want to differentiate dy upon dx, first I will keep u as it is, I will differentiate dv upon dx. Okay, then I will keep v as it is and I'll differentiate this, then I'll add it. Very simple. See, y is equals to x sin x. So here x is of u suppose and sin x is v. So I will keep x as it is, sin x differentiation is cos x, then I will keep sin as it is, x differentiation is 1. So x cos x plus sin x. Similarly, y is equals to x square e to the power x. So first I will keep x square as it is, then differentiation of e to the power x will be e to the power x only, plus I'll keep e to the power x as it is, differentiation of x square is 2 into x. Are you understanding? Cos x log x. Cos x as it is, differentiation of log x 1 by x, plus log x as it is, differentiation of cos x minus sin x multiplication. So it will be 1 by x means cos x upon x plus this plus will change minus log x sin x. Okay, then x cube sin x. So first I'll write this x cube, sin x differentiation is cos x, plus what will be there, sin x as it is, x cube differentiation is 3x square. Okay, so this was about your multiplication. If I talk about division, what is there? If y is equals to u by v, means two functions are there and it is u by v form. Here suppose x square is there, here sin x is there, anything can be there. So here what we will do, when we want to find dy upon dx, there is a formula. Here v square, here v is there, so whatever there in the denominator will square it first. Then we will keep this v as it is, differentiate u, then we'll keep the u as it is, differentiate v. Example, sin x by x. So first thing, when we want to differentiate it, first thing is x will square it. Then x as it is, v as it is, so x as it is, sin x differentiation is cos x. Minus, always remember that we are starting with the denominator, so x as it is, then this, otherwise it will be wrong. Then sin x as it is, and x denominator's differentiation is 1, so 1. Okay. Suppose this is the function I want to differentiate it. So dy upon dx will be, first thing is we'll keep this as it is, it will square it. Okay, then keep this as it is, differentiate this, so 2x and differentiation of 1 is 0, minus what we will do, keep this as it is, x square plus 1, differentiate x cube, that is 3x square. This is the answer. We can write it down like this, 2x to the power 4 minus, here if you solve it, 3x to the power 4 minus 3x square upon x to the power 3 to the 6. This will be your answer. You can further solve it. So this is all about algebra. Now next will be your on integration. There are other applications also, derivatives applications, but I don't think that it is that much important. This much if you know, it is enough for now. Okay, and more things if you know, if you require, I'll tell you in between the lectures.